हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल रीना अकेडमिया। होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का अपना जो ये सेशन है वो टॉप 80 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर पे रहेगा। 1 से 15 अक्टूबर के बीच जितने भी करंट अफेयर बन सकते थे जो आपके एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है वो सारे मैंने इस वीडियो में कवर किए हैं। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना और कमेंट में जरूर बताना कि आपको ये सेशन कैसा लगा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना डिले करे हुए अपना आज का पहला क्वेश्चन। Who has been appointed as the Deputy Governor of RBI effective from 9th of October 2025 while succeeding M. Rajeshwar Roy? The right answer is part B, Shirish Chandra Murmu. Next question. The 8th edition of India International Tea Convention and the 132 UPASI Annual Conference in 2025 will be held in which city? The right answer is part A, Kochi. Next question. India first integrated oncology research and care center has been opened in which state? The right answer is part C, that is Goa. Next question. International Translation Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? The right answer is part A, 30th of September. Next question. India first maritime simulation center was inaugurated in which state? The right answer is part B, that is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which institute of Delhi has launched the city first central tissue bank for bone grafting in dental surgeries? The right answer is part C, Maulana Azad Medical College. Next question. Who has been appointed as Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India? The right answer is part A, Shirish Chandra Murmu. Next question. What is the name of India's first space astronomy observatory which recently completed 10 years of operation? The right answer is part C, AstroSat. Next question. Which space agency launched three space missions to map the sun influence in space? The right answer is part A, that is NASA. Next question. Who has written The Loneliness of Sonia and Sunny, nominated for the Booker Prize? The right answer is part A, Kiran Desai. Next question. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Index of Economic Freedom? The right answer is part B, 128th. Next question. Recently, India and which country have signed a memorandum of understanding to establish the first cross-border rail link? The right answer is part C, Bhutan. Next question. Which country former President Joseph Kabila was sentenced to death for treason? The right answer is part B, Democratic Republic of Congo. Next question. Which app is launched to monitor elephant in Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve? The right answer is part A, Gaj Rakshak app. Next question. Which district of Chhattisgarh became India's first officially child marriage free district? The right answer is part B, Balod, जो कि छत्तीसगढ़ में है. Next question. Recently, which Indian city has become slum-free city? The right answer is part B, Chandigarh. Next question. Which country won the ISSA Award 2025 for outstanding achievement in social security? The right answer is part A, that is India. Next question. Which institute has launched a tool called Saral to make scientific research more accessible? The right answer is part C, Anusandhan National Research Foundation. Next question. Which state UT has become the first in India to conduct a full population estimation of snow leopard? The right answer is part B, Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Sir Creek is a tidal estuary separating which Indian state UT from Pakistan? The right answer is part A, Gujarat. Next question. Which space organization has launched the Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe mission? The right answer is part B, NASA. Next question. In which country was Telugu Language Day celebrated with the P4 Awareness Program? The right answer is part A, Saudi Arabia. Next question. Who has been reappointed as the president of International Paralympic Committee? The right answer is part A, Andrew Parsons. Next question. World Teacher Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? The right answer is part B, 5th of October. Next question. In which country the 11th World Green Economy Summit was held? The right answer is part A, Dubai. Next question. Which space agency is working toward building a long-term human settlement on the moon? The right answer is part B, that is NASA. Next question. In which Indian city was Asia's largest wastewater treatment plant inaugurated? The right answer is part A, Delhi. Next question. How many new Kendra Vidyalaya has the Union Cabinet approved to open under the civil sector? The right answer is part C, 57. Next question. Which state has been awarded with Global Tourism Award 2025? The right answer is part A, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which organization won the Business Line Changemaker of the Year award? The right answer is part B, DRDO. Next question. Who has nominated for Best Actor at the prestigious International Emmy Award 2025? The right answer is part B, Diljit Dosanjh. Next question. Recently, India's first private sector helicopter final assembly line Tata Group to build Airbus H125 in which state? The right answer is part C, Karnataka. Next question. Who became the world's richest actor by surpassing Taylor Swift and Tom Cruise? The right answer is part A, that is Shah Rukh Khan. Next question. Which country will launch 7 euro coin to honor Cristiano Ronaldo? The right answer is part B, that is Portugal. Next question. After Nepal, in which Indian Ocean island country did the president dissolve the government after the massive demonstration of Generation Z? The right answer is part B, that is Madagascar. Next question. Recently, who has been appointed as the charge of Director of General of Central Industrial Security Force? The right answer is part C, Parveer Ranjan. Next question. Cyclone Shakti, which formed over the Northeast Arabian Sea, was named by which country? The right answer is part A, Sri Lanka. Next question. What is the name of the scheme launched by Ministry of Electronics and IT to boost manufacturing of passive electronic component in India? The right answer is part B, Electronics Component Manufacturing Scheme. Next question. Exercise Konkan 25 is conducted between India and which country? The right answer is part B, United Kingdom. Next question. What is the name of scheme launched by Government of India to modernize government industrial training institutes? The right answer is part C, PM Setu. Next question. Who represented India in 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference which being held in Brighton, Barbados? The right answer is part B, Om Birla. Next question. Where did Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav inaugurate Rajasthan first Namo Biodiversity Park on 5th of October 2025? The right answer is part A, Alwar. Next question. Who approved the establishment of Namo Semiconductor Laboratory at IIT Bhubaneswar? The right answer is part B, Ashwini Vaishnav. Next question. Which country has renamed one of its island as Zubain Garg Island as a tribute to Assamese singer Zubain Garg? The right answer is part A, Singapore. Next question. The new Strategic Arm Reduction Treaty is a treaty between Russia and which country? The right answer is part B, United States of America. Next question. Where was the second anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft commissioned? The right answer is part C, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which state government has launched the Spice Route initiative to promote heritage and spice-based tourism? The right answer is part B, Kerala. Next question. Which country has launched Southeast Asia first coral lavex cryobank to preserve coral genetic diversity? The right answer is part A, Philippines. Next question. What is the main objective of the Marine Stewardship Council certification program? The right answer is part C, to recognize and reward sustainable fishing practices. Next question. Which state inaugurated its first commercial coal mine in Napchik on 6th of October 2025? The right answer is part A, Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. According to National Crime Bureau report, which state reported the highest number of cybercrime cases in 2023? The right answer is part B, Karnataka. Next question. Red sandal that was recently seen in news is native to which region of India? The right answer is part C, Eastern Ghats. Next question. International Day of Older Person is observed on which day every year? The right answer is part A, that is October 1. Next question. What is the name of mobile application launched by Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Veterinary Education and Research for rabies surveillance? The right answer is part B, Rabi Track River app. Next question. Recently, who has been awarded with the 2025 Sastra Ramanjan Award? The right answer is part A, Dr. Alexander Smith. Next question. Navi Mumbai International Airport will be named after whom? The right answer is part C, Dinkar Balu Patel. Next question. Who made history by winning India's first ever medal at the Judo Junior World Championships? The right answer is part B, that is Linthoi Chanambam. Next question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Viksit Bharat Bulletin 2025? The right answer is part A, Shubhanshu Chukla. Next question. Where was the second anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft commission? The right answer is part B, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which is the nodal ministry of PM Kusum scheme? The right answer is part A, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Next question. Plutonium Management and Disposition Agreement is a pact between the United States and which country? The right answer is part B, Russia. Next question. What was the theme of World Habitat Day 2025 celebrated by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? The right answer is part A, Urban Solution to Crisis. Next question. Who has been nominated as the next UNESCO Director General? The right answer is part B, Khalid Anani. Next question. According to National Crime Record Bureau, which state has emerged as India's safest city for fourth consecutive year? The right answer is part C, that is Kolkata. Next question. Which ministry is planning to launch the National Camel Sustainability Initiative? The right answer is part A, that is Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. Next question. Who has been appointed as Ambassador of English Premier League in India? The right answer is part C, Sanju Samson. Next question. In which state Urunodal 3 scheme has been launched to provide financial assistance to poor families? The right answer is part B, Assam. Next question. Which state has become the first to amend the Wildlife Act 1972? The right answer is part C, Kerala. Next question. Which ministry is organizing the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025? The right answer is part A, Ministry of Education. Next question. What is the name of India's newest proposed research station in Eastern Antarctica? The right answer is part C, Maitri 2. Next question. Which former political leader has joined Microsoft and AI startup Anthropic as a senior advisor? The right answer is part B, Rishi Sunak. Next question. Which state will build India's first fully solar powered zoo? The right answer is part C, Karnataka. Next question. How many beaches in Maharashtra have earned the International Blue Flag certification in October 2025? The right answer is part B, that is 5. Next question. National Tel Mental Health Program was started by which ministry? The right answer is part A, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Next question. Which city of India hosted the AI for Good Summit at India Mobile Congress 2025? The right answer is part A, New Delhi. Next question. Which Indian National Park Director has received the Canton R. Miller Award 2025? The right answer is part B, Kaziranga National Park. Next question. Which country is the host of NATO nuclear deterrence exercise called Steadfast Noon 2025? The right answer is part C, Netherlands. Next question. Recently, under which operation CBI has arrested 8 key henchmen of international cyber crimes? The right answer is part A, Operation Hatchy VI. Next question. Who has been awarded with Nobel Peace Prize 2025? The right answer is part B, Maria Corina Machado. Next question. Who make history by winning India first ever Mrs. Universe title in Manila? The right answer is part A, शेरी सिंह. तो ये थे आज के हमारे 80 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू. और अगर आपको इस तरह के जो प्रीवियस मैंने लेक्चर पढ़ाए हैं तो वो आप जाके इस सीरीज पे प्लेलिस्ट पे जाके देख सकते हैं करंट अफेयर की. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना ताकि